This video is about the bearish side to Bitcoin. So let's just get right into it. Smash that like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Alrighty guys, so BTC on the daily. We talked about this. We're below the 200 daily moving average. That right there is historically very bearish. Yes, we are testing it at the moment. Possible pullback, possible going to break it again. But we are right now at the time of this recording below it. Not what we want to see. That's definitely a bearish side to the good old BTCs. Of course, the 50 is at the bottom. We also had a death cross. That's not good either. Eventually, we will have a cross, a golden cross, which is when the 50 crosses above the 200, which is very bullish. As of right now, it has not happened. We first, for starters, have to get the price above the 200 daily moving average. So that has to happen. Let's pull up here on the weekly time frame. As we can see, guys, we did fall below the 50 and the 20 on the weekly. That right there is very bearish. As of right now, we are above it. That's bullish. But historically, if we get rid of the 20 weekly moving average and the 200 here, we just look at the 50. Once we fall below it in 2017/2018, a bear town, here we go. And once we fell below it back here in early 2020/end of 2019, very dumpage. You know what I mean? You guys see that down there? Rona, cough, cough. You know what I mean? Same thing here in 2014. Guys, that's actually very bearish historically. So we'll see. Maybe this will be an outlier for the first time. Maybe we're going to the moon. I don't know. But I'm just saying, based off history, that there is very bearish. Moving on here, guys, the previous video, we talked about the Dragonfly Doji, and when it's on an incline, and guys, you know, the literature says it's actually very bearish. It'll only be confirmed when the next candle closes, which we'll have 3 months to find that out. So we'll have 3 months for confirmation, 3 months of all this good old juicy price action. So we'll see what happens there, if you know what I mean. So that right there is that. The good old big Gaussian channel talked about this for a while. That historically, if you go back in history, you know, down memory lane, every single time we got in the Gaussian channel, it's like quicksand. You know in Scooby-Doo when they just fell in the quicksand? Yeah, I do, because I used to watch that. But maybe you do or you don't. But anyways, they fell through and it wasn't a good time for them. He fell through down here in 2014, bam, falling right below the Gaussian channel. We go back up, nice bull run, staying above it. As soon as we get sucked into it, as soon as we wick down, we basically go right back in and fall to the bottom. Takes some time. These are 5-day candles. Every single day is a 5-day. Does take time. And just to give you some perspective, we've gone over this on the live streams because we are live Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Just put on some videos today in case we actually lose electric because there is a major tornado warning in a few hours. It did take about 150 days for the good old Gaussian channel right here to get broken once we fell on the very bottom. So hey, it does take time, 150 some days. Anyways, we did fall below, and even 2019 with a nice heroic run to 14K. We went in and the Rona took us to the bottom. But it all changed in 2021. We fell down and we didn't fall below. Wow, what's going on? But then as of right now, guys, see, like this is what's important. As of right now, so like, this was breaking news. Breaking the Gaussian channel is invalid, right? Well, we had a bull trap. So was it really that bad? I don't know. It's still pretty good. We're following the bottom here. How long have we followed the bottom? Remember before I said 155 days? We've been down here 70 days. We're almost halfway there. So we'll see. Maybe we'll break through. Maybe this will be the new legendary rally. We'll see a massive run. Maybe we're $100,000. Here we go. Maybe. Just say maybe. But this right here is actually very bearish. So I'm sorry to say, guys, it is very bearish. I know we have the bear thing somewhere around here of all these things right here. It is a little bearish. So we'll see how it plays out. Obviously, guys, long term, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin. There's only 21 million out there. This right here is the best currency out there, in my humble opinion. It'll beat all fiat currencies, in my humble opinion. Of course, not a financial advisor. I'm just a silly dude. So just keep that in mind. Also, another bear sign is the good old the Russian war. The Russian and Ukraine war, guys. They're going at it. Obviously not good. You know, oil apparently spiking because of it, if you know what I mean. You know, read between the lines. It's not really the case, but hey, you know, it's what they're telling the average Joe. So it's what we report, right? What a joke. Anyways, guys, obviously conflict around the world is very bearish for any asset class, especially a risk-on asset class such as yours truly, the good old BTCs. So watch out for that as well. But yeah, just like looking at it from a macro perspective, being below that 200 daily moving average, of course, being right here in the Gaussian channel like that is very bearish. Of course, like we said, on the 3-month chart, having the Dragonfly Doji on an incline, actually not so bullish. But it does show a lot of buying pressure. But still, guys, it's not really that bullish according to Investopedia. We'll see, though, with the confirmation in the following candle, which will take 3 months. So, how about you guys? That's like 6 months in crypto time, if you know what I mean. And then, of course, here on the weekly, we are currently above the 50 weekly moving average. But being below it in any kind of bull runs actually means we're going back down. So this could be another failed rally, aka a death cross. I mean, a dead cat bounce, or aka a sucker rally. We'll see. Only time will tell. Guys, there is a video I've recently put out about the bullish case, so definitely check that out, guys. I'm just putting out the bearish case in this video, talking about, hey, all these things that are going on. So just keep that in mind. We'll see what happens, but you do know if Bitcoin dumps, altcoins will dump Bitcoin times 2 or sometimes times 5. So watch out for that. Do not get wrecked. And as always, guys, thank you for tuning in. Smack that subscribe button. Smack that like button. We're live Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Hit the links down below to support the channel. And until next time, may the gains be with you.